Welcome back to another video of the Voicemeeter series. I'm King Yeshua. I'm glad you guys are watching all the videos or coming to the first video. This is a series, so we have previous videos on around 5, and this is the 6th one. So definitely check out how Voicemeeter works and how to offset in OBS. We went into detail on how to use Voicemeeter for different softwares as well. So definitely check that out. This one's for a telepan and how to use it and why you should use a telepan. Generally is to change your voice and to make it sound different in real time. Some of the cases of the series is to really make sure you guys are understanding it in full. So all the basics that I went over in one video to where each and every detailed aspect of Voicemeeter and why you should use it and how to use it. So I'm using Voicemeeter Banana. You could be using Voicemeeter or Voicemeeter Potato. It really depends on your situation. Depends on your system. It depends on all that. And I went into detail on all that stuff in previous videos. And I'll go into the aspect of a telepan. And that is generally how you would change your voice. And then, yeah, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more stuff. Switch over. And it might seem like I'm rushing. It's because it's getting a little bit dark and it's hard in the trap game. So just making sure that I have some natural sunlight and you can see me clearly and understand everything clearly, because I had a few mess ups before. I'm going between different videos. So generally, I have a link to Voicemeeter itself. Download it. If you don't know how to download it, go through some of my other videos and the one video on the series and how to download it. You want to, and I'll go over some of the aspects right here. You want to generally make sure that it's on default. Okay. So go to your master on Windows. I'm on Windows 10. Could be that you're on Mac or Linux. Just look for your sounds or look for your audio and go to there. For your recording or playback, wherever how it says, your playback is what you're hearing and your recording is what you're saying in the mic, into your virtual mic or your physical mic. So in the playback for Windows 10, we'll scroll all the way down, look for Voicemeeter inputs and make that default. And then your recording, scroll all the way down and make your Voicemeeter output default. So to avoid any type of problems of audio not being picked up and audio not being heard, just make that your default voice or default device. So now once we have that and everything's downloaded correctly, we want to go to telepan, and like I said, is a real-time voice changer. So it's embedded with other APIs, and these APIs I also go into in future videos. And I went over how to offset the your output in OBS. So how to change some of the APIs from how it sounds to another software. So I went into that stuff. And we'll be going over 8x8 15 bands in the future. Here in telepan, you're in real time changing your voice. So in this aspect, I will be doubling my voice, and that's generally where you want to maybe sound like you're mimicking or just double voice inside of a YouTube video, whichever how of a setting. If you want to sound lighter and have more treble, you want to go to the right, the top right, and have like a lot of treble, including more medium, right? You want to now just have more medium, but then more bass. You want to go all the way to the bottom right. And then also you want to have a more bass. You want to go all the way to the left and have double voice and more bass. So it depends on your scenario. You can double click to now center everything and have no effect. And this would be somewhat of your voice, more like your real voice, or just like your voice in general, how it would sound to a input, to a physical or virtual input. It's usually around what I sound, and my voice might be outgoing, but I'm just recording a lot of videos for you guys, so just making sure everything is of high quality. And yeah, that's really what the telepan is a real-time changer. So in general, you will want to use a tape recorder, see how you would change that your voice. That's really it for the telepan. Nothing really much else to go into. That's really it. If you think I missed something, definitely let me know. It's also a 3 bands equalizer, or bass on the bottom left, or have a double voice all the way and then have more treble. So it depends on like what you want, and then have more treble all the way to the right, and then go all the way down bottom right for more bass and more medium, or just to have treble is over here to even everything out, or just to have more double voice. But yeah, that's really it. That's all the in-depth stuff I wanted to go over. If you think I missed anything, definitely let me know. I just want to make sure I went over every single part. And yeah, definitely subscribe, share, like. There's more videos coming out. I don't want to say quite yet. I said some of the other videos from before, but I want to make sure that surprise feeling is there in the upcoming videos. So definitely subscribe and keep notifications on so you know what's going on. And yeah, I'm really glad you guys are paying attention to everything and asking me a lot of questions, and I'm very responsive with the questions too. I take at most 1 to 2 days to respond to one question, so because I might have a lot of other questions I might be recording or editing. So always building for CyberConnect to CYBE at the end of the day. So thank you for watching. More videos coming your way, weekly videos on Voicemeeter, and then we'll see if we make another series or another playlist of any kind for a CYBE or for King and Shuro channel right here. So thank you for watching, and peace out.